At Temp Refrigeration Services is your one-stop company for all things refrigeration. It is your first and last stop for all refrigeration troubles and solutions. Is your refrigeration unit not cooling properly? Has your fridge started alarming? Maybe your ice is cloudy and its taste has changed. Or maybe you just want a service carried out on site. We understand that everyone works differently and we are here to work with you. Simply give us a call, send us an email, or use our website to lodge your request. No matter whether our team is in the office or out in the field, our job management software allows us to operate smoothly through a dual interface design. Once your job has been lodged, we instantly see which one of our technicians is available in your area to get the job done as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Our technicians are fully equipped to handle any job. We are always well stocked with over 1,000 individual parts inside each vehicle. At Temp Refrigeration, we are continually transforming our internal processes with the advancement of technology, allowing us to be more efficient and productive on meeting the needs of all of our clients. And by using the latest job management software, we ensure every job runs smoothly and everything is recorded. At Temp Refrigeration is centrally located in the northern suburbs of Perth. But our technicians cover everywhere from Osborne Park, Subiaco and the Perth CBD, all the way up to Quinns Rock and all the way down to Rockingham. At Temp Refrigeration sells and uses certified high quality equipment. Our experienced technicians are highly trained in maintaining and servicing all equipment, and we are recognised as certified warranty repair agents. At Temp Refrigeration are leaders in their field and are always striving towards the future of commercial refrigeration.